Sonu Sood just take an indirect jab at other Bollywood celebrities? Let's find out. The protest of the farmers against the three agricultural laws passed by the central government has been going on for a long time now. While many Bollywood celebrities came out in support of the farmers, now Hollywood celebrities have also joined the race and showed their support to the farmers. However, some Bollywood celebrities, including Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, and others, are standing in favor of the government. There has also been an ongoing war on social media regarding the same. In the wake of all these, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood, who is called the Messiah of migrant workers, has recently tweeted about the farmers' movement. He took to his Twitter and wrote, "गलत को सही कहोगे तो नींद कैसे आएगी?" Netizens believed that this tweet of Sonu has been done as a touch of sarcasm on the government and his Bollywood colleagues. Many netizens took to Twitter to react on Sonu's tweet. In support of the farmers' movement, many Hollywood celebrities, including Rihanna, Greta Thunberg, and others, had commented, after which Bollywood celebrities also started commenting on social media. Kangana Ranaut slammed Rihanna and Greta in her tweets after they supported the farmers. Meanwhile, Sonu Sood was allowed to withdraw his petition from the Supreme Court in connection with his plea challenging the notice by the BMC regarding alleged illegal construction at his residential building in Juhu. The apex court, which permitted the withdrawal of the petition, orally observed that no coercive action can be taken against Sood until the civic authorities decide on his application for regularization. In response to the same, Sonu shared a statement and wrote, "The Honorable Supreme Court has finally given me a breath of fresh air and time to take corrective measures. The structure was always legal despite it being colored otherwise. I feel vindicated since I have always had utmost and complete faith in the judiciary and have also strived to abide by the law. My sole endeavor has been to conduct my business in a fair manner with all requisite permission and clearances as may be required in the law." The actor also requested all to not fall for those who are out to malign his image. Meanwhile, what is your opinion about Sonu Sood's indirect jibe at his Bollywood colleagues? Comment below and let us know.